Introductory section, Introduction to Cloud Computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of computing services like storage, processing power, databases, networking, software, and more over the internet, the cloud, instead of using your own computer or local servers. The delivery of computing services over the internet, including servers, networking devices, storage, and databases. No physical infrastructure is required, not limited to a specific location. Think of it like renting a powerful computer that lives somewhere else. Instead of buying expensive hardware or software, you just access it online when you need it. So you can think of it like renting a powerful computer that lives somewhere else. Instead of buying expensive hardware or software, you just access it online when you need it. Key benefits of cloud computing. Okay, since we are discussing cloud computing, it is essential to start by discussing few of the benefits from migrating to the cloud. 1. Cost efficiency. No need to buy expensive hardware or software. Pay only for what you use, like a utility bill. Reduces costs for maintenance, upgrades, and IT staff. Second, scalability. Easily scale resources up or down based on demand. Perfect for businesses with fluctuating workloads or growing needs. 3. Accessibility and mobility. Access data and applications from anywhere with an internet connection. Supports remote work and global collaboration. Fourth, reliability. Built-in backup and recovery options protect against data loss. Faster recovery from outages or cyber incidents. 5. Security. Leading cloud providers offer advanced security features like encryption, identity management, and threat detection. Regular updates and compliance with global standards. The shared responsibility model in cloud computing defines how security and compliance responsibilities are divided between the cloud provider and the customer. It's a foundational concept that helps ensure clarity and accountability. Customer responsibilities. These depend on the type of cloud service used, but generally include data security and encryption, user access management, application level security, compliance with internal policies, configuring firewalls and network settings. These are things the provider takes care of: physical security of data centers, infrastructure servers, networking storage, hardware maintenance, global compliance standards, basic software updates and patches. Why it matters: prevents security gaps by clarifying who handles what, helps organizations meet compliance requirements, encourages best practices in cloud governance. 1. Private cloud. What it is. Cloud infrastructure is used exclusively by one organization, either hosted on premises or by a third party. Who uses it? Organizations with strict security, compliance, or performance requirements, e.g., banks, government. Pros: greater control and customization, enhanced security and privacy. Cons: higher cost, requires in-house expertise. 2. Public cloud. What it is: services are delivered over the internet by third-party providers. Who uses it? Startups, small businesses, and enterprises looking for cost-effective, scalable solutions. Pros: no hardware to manage, pay-as-you-go pricing, high scalability and availability. Cons: less control over infrastructure, shared environment with other users. 3. Hybrid cloud. What it is: combines public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to move between them. Who uses it? Businesses needing flexibility, such as keeping sensitive data private while using public cloud for less critical workloads. Pros: flexibility and scalability, optimized cost and performance. Cons: more complex to manage, requires strong integration and governance. The consumption-based model in cloud computing refers to a pricing approach where you only pay for the resources and services you actually use, similar to how you pay for utilities like electricity or water. Key features of the consumption-based model. 1. Pay-as-you-go charges are based on actual usage, for example, compute hours, storage space, data transfer. No upfront investment in hardware or infrastructure. 2. Metered usage. Cloud providers track usage in real time. You get detailed billing reports showing what you used and how much it cost. 3. Scalability with cost control. Easily scale up during peak demand and scale down when not needed. Helps avoid over-provisioning and unnecessary spending. 4. Flexible budgeting. Ideal for startups, agile teams, and projects with variable workloads. enables better forecasting and cost optimization. Example in practice. Imagine you're running a web app. During normal hours, you use minimal resources. During a product launch, traffic spikes. Your cloud usage increases. You only pay more during the spike, not for unused capacity. Azure offers cloud services across the three main cloud service models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, each designed to meet different business and technical needs. Here's a breakdown. 1. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS, control and flexibility. Azure provides virtualized infrastructure resources that you can manage and configure. Examples: Azure Virtual Machines run Windows or Linux VMs. Azure Virtual Network set up secure networks. Azure Blob Storage store unstructured data. Azure Load Balancer distribute traffic across services. Use case ideal for migrating legacy systems, hosting custom applications, or building scalable environments. Second, Platform as a Service, PaaS, speed and productivity. Azure offers platforms for developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without worrying about infrastructure. Examples: Azure App Service, host web apps and APIs. Azure Functions, serverless computing for event-driven apps. Azure SQL Database, managed relational database. Azure DevOps, CI/CD pipelines and project tracking. Use case, great for agile development, microservices, and rapid deployment. 3. Software as a Service, SaaS, ready-to-use solutions. Azure integrates with Microsoft's SaaS offerings and third-party apps. Examples: Microsoft 365, productivity apps like Word, Excel, Teams, Dynamics 365, CRM and ERP solutions, Power BI, business analytics and visualization, Azure Marketplace, access to third-party SaaS apps. Use case, perfect for end users and businesses needing out-of-the-box solutions with minimal setup. Don't worry, we will go through all these services and terminologies in the course of the upcoming lessons.